So, another laid back day. More nice weather. Get nice weather all week, so everything's done with drying on the car. But you guys already know that. So now I'm getting into cleaning up the interior and putting it back in. So scrubbed the carpet and cleaned it. So now we got fresh carpet back in there. Right? Allergies are acting up today, but so you got that. I'm gonna start cleaning up all this stuff. Just realized I got original Civic mats for this thing too, so those need to get cleaned up. And I'm gonna throw the interior back in this thing. Cause that time, you know, I've covered my bases with the floor, make sure everything's neat, good, set up properly. So just throw that stuff back in again. Get the interior all in and functional, set that up. And then from there, I'm waiting to pick up my parts, my suspension parts from Powdercoating. And you guys will see that when I get it. Days, wifey could rob me a Gatorade. Anyways, spraying those down. I soaked up the carpet with some interior cleaner and some salt remover. For the two main ones. I'm actually happy that this has original Civic mats. So I'm gonna clean those up, get them nice. Everything's washed and clean now. Soaking in like a vinyl dressing. Sorry, vinyl coating actually. So it's gonna absorb into the plastic and it'll give it that brand new shine. So let's have those soaking for now. Centerpiece here. Wash this, got this all cleaned up nice. So we got clean carpet. Clean panels. Even the Civic shining now. Just drying. Rear seat just drying. Ooh, I had to change my shirt because yo, the heat is beat. Anyway, yeah, so interior is in. Did all that, didn't record nothing because yo, it's hot, bro. Just want to get done. Camera probably overheat anyways, but interior is in. Interior is in and solid. A lot of test fitting and seating. You know? I just got a call on the fly that the powder coat stuff were done, so just heading. Oh shoot! Sorry. Just heading over to there now. So that I can pick them up. Grab cash. Just give you guys a little highlight on them when I get probably to the crib. Home with the parts. I'm gonna wait till the sun starts to peek down from the sky to show y'all what it is. Alright, so the GoPro action. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start prepping this bay. Not prepping, I already prepped it. I'm gonna start painting it. Primer, I'm gonna primer it because it's super. Spray this down on the bay. Have it cleaned up. First I'm gonna wipe it down with some water. bait came out. Nice, you know what I'm saying? So that's the bay. That's how the bay is hitting. So for now, I'm gonna figure out what else I should do to get it ready for the actual color that's going to be laid down on here. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the stuff, man. Doesn't look like it's about to get any sun yet, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of how the powder coating stuff look. Just a little sneak peek though. Might have to drag it out a little bit. Hold up. A little sneak peek of how they look. Not gonna spoil all of it, give you guys all the juice right now, but powder coat stuff came out too nice, right, baby? Came out too nice, like, boy, that candy. So you guys will see all that stuff. I'm gonna lay them out one day. But like I said, man, process is getting done. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Say bye bye.
Bye.
Peace out, y'all.